Hello friends, welcome back to a new video on your channel Ayurved Station. Myself Pukhraj Sahu from Patanjali Megastore, Nimaj. In this video, we will discuss the Patanjali very special summer product. The name of this product is Patanjali THANDAI powder. In this video, we will see the ingredients of this product, uses, price, etc. So for complete detail, watch the video till end. Friends, this is the Patanjali Thandai powder which contains the kesar, badam and pista. Friends, this Patanjali Thandai powder is very special for summer season. Now we see the main ingredients of this Patanjali Thandai powder which are as sugar, almond, foxnut, cardamom, black pepper, muskmelon seeds, poppy seeds, pistachio and saffron. The all ingredients of this Patanjali Thandai powder are very useful and very healthy for human body. Now we see the serving size and direction for use of this Patanjali Thandai powder, which is a mix 2 teaspoon of this Patanjali Thandai powder with 200 ml of milk which is pre-boiled and chilled. Then use it. Now the price, quantity and precaution of this Patanjali Thandai powder, which are as the MRP of this product is 265, in which we have 500 gram. There are some precaution also. Use within 60 days after opening the pack. The second precaution is not to be consumed by diabetic patient.